everybody. This is Liam. My name is Liam. I think he can see herself.
Smiling. He's smiling.
I was born. Kapan, Liam? August. Right. August 3rd, 2012. It's a poopy face.
Are you gonna drop one, buddy? Are you gonna drop one? Are you gonna create a big problem for mommy?
If Liam has nice attitude, it means he's
Poopy face?
poopy face. Poopy face. Usually cranky. Not cranky means poopy face.
That means he's pooper man?
Bye bye. Oh, so cute. You see yourself there? Are you narcissist? Do you see already? Look. Is he looking at the camera? You're so yummy. You're so yummy. Nom, 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 nom.
Hey.
I'm hungry.